Welcome aboard the Mount Roberts tram. It's a beautiful day. Wonderful today. So you guys are lucky. We're all lucky today. First day. Enjoy the view as we go up. This is Gastineau Channel. This is where you guys came in. Mount Roberts Tramway is owned and operated by Gold Belt Incorporated, the local Native American Alaska Native Corporation, which was established in 1971, along with 212 other Native corporations. And Gold Belt is Juneau's Native Corporation. And it's been operating the tram here for going on 18 years.
Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone? To be paradise, put up a parking lot. Why not? They pay paradise to put up a parking lot. Hey, 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 pay paradise to put up a parking lot. She wanna